Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the word count tool in Google Docs. Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the word count tool in Google Docs. Simply click the Tools menu and then click word count up here, which can be activated using Ctrl+Shift+C on your keyboard. Once you open it, you'll get this pop-up which you can drag around. As you can see, it shows statistics about my writing. And simple ones, not like grammar or anything, not like Grammarly. It'll count the words, it'll count the characters I wrote, it'll count the characters excluding spaces, and also if you highlight maybe just a part of it, maybe I'll highlight just this first sentence, and then you Ctrl+Shift+C. It's still one of one pages because there's only one page altogether, but it's only 4 words out of the 35 total words, 19 characters out of the 187 characters, and excluding spaces 16 characters out of the 151 characters. So you can get statistics for a single part of your whole document. This is probably more useful for students than teachers because during an essay it can be crucial to know how much you wrote. And this is a really simple tool, and that's really all there is to it. Thanks for watching.